Alright, gamers and keyboard enthusiasts, let's talk about these Cherry MX Speed Silver key switches from Ranked. These are the MX1A-51NNs, and they're designed for speed, plain and simple. If you're into competitive gaming or just love that super responsive feel, these might be right up your alley. We're talking linear switches here, so no tactile bump, just a smooth, straight-down press. They're rocking a 1.2 millimeters pre-travel and a total travel distance of 3.4 millimeters. That's short, really short. Combined with the 45 cN actuation force, these are some of the fastest switches Cherry makes. You barely graze the key and it registers. Perfect for those lightning-fast reflexes. Now, these are plate-mounted, 3-pin switches, which means they're compatible with a wide range of hot swappable keyboards and DIY projects. That's a big plus for customization. Ranked also includes a keycap puller, which is always appreciated. No more hunting around for one when you want to swap out your keycaps. Cherry boasts a lifespan of over 50 million keystrokes per switch. That's a lot of gaming sessions. They also feature self-cleaning gold crosspoint contacts, which helps keep them resistant to dust and dirt. Durability is key, especially if you're investing in premium switches. So, what's the catch? Well, the speed can take some getting used to. If you're coming from heavier or tactile switches, you might find yourself accidentally triggering keys at first. It's a learning curve, but once you adapt, the speed is addictive. Also, because they're so light and sensitive, they might not be the best choice for typing, especially if you're a heavy-handed typist. You might end up with more typos than usual. These switches are marketed towards gamers, and they definitely deliver on that front. The responsiveness is incredible, and the smooth linear feel is perfect for fast-paced action. However, if you're looking for a switch that's equally good for typing and gaming, you might want to consider something with a bit more tactile feedback. But if speed is your priority, these Cherry MX Speed Silvers from Ranked are definitely worth checking out. They're a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their keyboard and gain a competitive edge. Just be prepared for that initial adjustment period. Once you get used to them, you'll be flying across the keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.